This YouTube Kids channel brings between $3,000 to an impressive $45,000 monthly through ads. And guess what? In this video we're going to explore how you can create animation videos using the power of AI, so let's get started. Music. The first step is all about creating a compelling storyline. The best part, you don't have to be a professional writer to come up with a fantastic story. Chat GPT does the heavy lifting for you, making your creative process smoother than ever. Simply provide some prompts. In this video we will make a story about a zoo and animals. It sounds childish, and that's what we're aiming for. And wow, watch as ChatGPT generates unique and engaging narratives that serve as the foundation for our animation video. Now that you have your story, it's time to add voiceover to your animation. Say hello to 11 Labs, an incredible tool that can generate lifelike voices. With 11 Labs you can start a free trial with 10,000 characters per month, or subscribe to one of these plans. Simply input the mood and style you're aiming for, like stability and clarity, then paste your text here, and 11 Labs will create a voiceover that complements your story beautifully. Music. Once upon a time, in a colorful and magical world, lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Zara. Zara loved animals more than anything else in the world. She had a special bond with them that was truly extraordinary. Awesome, let's do the next step. Now comes the exciting part, bringing your story to life through animation. And what better tool to use than Adobe Express, a user-friendly animation software that harnesses the power of AI. And don't worry guys, Adobe Express is totally free. You can pick a character and add a background with this AI tool. Your animation will look professional, captivating your audience's attention. Let's pick the voiceover that we downloaded from 11 Labs. And this is the result. Once upon a time, in a colorful and magical world, lived the curious and adventurous young girl named Zara. Zara loved animals more than anything else in the world. She had a special bond with them that was truly extraordinary. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches to your masterpiece. Canva will help you enhance your animation's overall visual appeal. With Canva you can put stunning graphics that complement your story's tone and mood, whether it's animated or static. Canvas has you covered. What a nice rhyme. Then with CapCut, which is free editing software, you can fine-tune your animation, adjust colors, put all the clips together, add sound effects. Oh yeah, you want to copyright free sound effects? I've got you covered with Pixabay. Pixabay provides over 4.1 million royalty-free images, videos and sound effects. Music. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to earn money by creating animation videos using AI-powered tools. With the help of ChatGPT for story generation, 11 Labs for voice over, Adobe Express for animation, Canva for graphics, CapCut for editing, and Pixabay for royalty-free sound effects. You have all the ingredients to create captivating content that can bring in attention and passive income. So what are you waiting for? Smash the like button and subscribe to Nova Academy for more money-making tutorials. Now unleash your creativity with the power of AI and start making money. See you in the next video. P.